Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you some tips on how to pose at a beauty pageant. Allie here with NGM Modeling, and I've got a couple quick tips here for you guys. So first up is that T stance, or what we call also pretty feet. So this one, guys, you're going to do this pose whenever you are not moving on the runway or on the walkway. So if you're on stage and you are standing still, you are generally going to be in that T stance where your feet are parallel or perpendicular to each other, and you've got a nice balance here. It's also going to make you look very tall and lean and elegant. So do not forget, if you are not moving on the stage, this is generally what your stance is going to be. The next one is, let's talk about some different runway walk poses. So one of the ones that is probably one of my favorites, and I'll tell you why in just a second, but is the wide stance. So on this one, you're going to place your feet, so you're facing forward generally, and you're going to be placing your feet a little bit wider than your hips. So you can do this one with your hands down by your sides, or you can put one or both hands on your hips. This one I like to call in my head the Wonder Woman pose. If you think about it, this is kind of that pose, a strong, real confident, empowering type pose. So that's your wide stance. The next one is a wide stance. You can do also a half turn from there as you head back, or as you want to show them side to side. The next one actually is to do your side stance. So turning the body almost into that profile look. Now your feet on this one are not going to be parallel side by side, but they're going to be staggered to give you a good base, and is also going to add some nice lines and angles to make you look more flattering as well. So these are two really big ones. And then of course, to be able to do, you can do your T stance at the end of the runway as well, with a nice pose there to add. So these are a couple different things that you can use on the runway. It's going to make you look good. It's going to make you look strong. I hope these help you out. Make sure you guys are practicing. Guys, don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you soon.